Yeah, so my name is Ishan, and I'm also working as a project manager with the Growth Garage team for the past 2 years. So my primary role is to also connect with startups, create some content with them, and also to look for new technologies that could benefit with our engineering challenges. And so, thanks for joining today, and we are looking forward to also introduce the challenge and how to work with the platform. Yeah, to you. So the recording is started already, Yoka, so we can proceed.
Very good. I will share my screen. So what the purpose of today is to present to you our engineering challenge that we are running at the moment. And this part will be presented by Ishan. And after the presentation of the challenge, I will introduce to you the platform. For persons who were already in the jury or part of the jury team, of course, they already worked with us. They know how it works. But as we did some updates on the platform, I would like to show you what changes and for the new members to introduce and what we expect exactly what need to be done in the next month for a jury member or as a jury. So I will share my screen. Just let me know if you see everything.
Yeah, we see this thing now.
Okay. So Ishan, I hand over to you.
Yeah, so thanks, Yoka, for for sharing. Yeah, so thanks once again for joining this meeting. So I would like to start with a statement. So the co-innovation with partners and customers becomes the new normal. So what does it mean? So in a very volatile, uncertain, complex and ambiguous world, we are living with very fast shifting dynamics, and it is very important to co-innovate with partners, customers, startups, and innovative companies. So, and that's the reason why we have established this open innovation platform with Growth Garage, and the goal is to really facilitate this connect with our programs and with engineering challenges with the bright minds to startups, and also experienced professionals can come together and collaborate and co-innovate on various topics. So yeah, and of course, for that reason, we have also introduced this challenge. Can you go to the next slide, please?
I'm trying, Ishan.
Yeah.
It's very slow.
Maybe there are too many.
Yeah.
Yes, I mean, I can also
I will stop
continue
sharing
before
and
the...
I will reshare my screen.
Yeah.
Because I
would it make sense if we switch off the video for a moment?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. That makes more sense.
I will also stop my... I think Murphy is in the house. Doesn't work. I will try to up. We will do it differently, Ishan.
Yeah.
Let's be creative here.